Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to sign in Google Classroom in mobile. Actually, I recently installed this Google Classroom, so we will practice how to sign in on this Google Classroom. So I will open it, and on the first open, you see this is the get started of your Google Classroom. It's supposed to be I already log on, because see, for the first time I have several emails that on this phone already connected to the Google account. If you're not facing if you're not seeing these emails of yours on this first page, you can click add account on the bottom here, add account. So I'm trying to using my master of degrees of class, and then click OK, and then just wait. And then here I already log on automatically to this Google Classroom. And then if I want to log on or sign in using another account, I just click this picture, my profile picture, and then here you can see click add another account, or you can choose any account that already logged on to your phone. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. Remember, what you need is you need the Google account, not the Google Classroom account, because the Google account is already uh, packed for any Google products digitally. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.